Looks like I killed somebody. Yep.
Yes, it does.
I did not know that you had to throw away the bottle when you're dyeing your precious hair. Yeah. Throw away your bottle.
Lesson learned.
Lesson learned.
Big time.
What the hell? How did that happen? Demon spawn, that's what it is. Bethany!
I killed.
Bend over, I'm putting my foot in your ass. I know the hair dye, but how did that get on the ceiling? Did you color your hair on the ceiling? Spider Woman?
Wow.
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 Oh, I love my baby, I'm just teasing you.
You can't. It was everywhere.
Yeah.
God, it looked like I shot somebody. Look at that. This is not evidence of a crime. Sir, it is not a crime. A crime. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.